Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to check your Windows version, OS build number, and edition, and also whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. I have three windows opened. Let me show you how I got there. So first, you always basically need to go down to left to the Windows button, then you type WinVer. If you type WinVer, that's the window on the top that says version, OS build, and in the second paragraph, you also have information about what type it is. If you couldn't access it through WinVer directly, you can use command line, also tab WinVer, and same destination. Okay, so now I have three identical windows. Anyway, let's go to the second thing. And this is system information. So just type system, press enter, and there you go. It will be bigger window. It's just minimized in my case because I don't want to share some information that is there. Um, and it has more information about components of your computer and so on. But on the top, you have again OS name that includes edition, whether it's Pro, Home, Enterprise. I don't know what's currently there, and then a version number, build number, and the best option I believe is all the way down. And how you get there is again down left Windows button and type about, press enter. Again on the top there's some information that I don't want to share, so it's already opened, and scroll down. But this one is the best because it also says whether it's 32-bit or 64. Comparing to the options on the top, they don't. And also you have installed on, which is, I don't know, maybe you need it, and also some experience pack. I'm not gonna be smart that I know what it is, but maybe someone's looking for it. So out of the three options here, definitely the best is about. So just again to repeat it, Windows button, type about your PC or just about, press enter, and there you go. I can't. I'm not 100% sure this is going to work on all Windowses, but for the current one, it definitely does. So hopefully, it will help you at the time you are looking for an answer. Okay, so that's about it from my side.